Hey everyone, I'm back again with 2 cards using the new papers from Blue Night Rubber Stamps, Misty Moons and Pastel Skies. Let's get started. Recently, Blue Night came out with these 2 new paper packs, Pastel Skies and Misty Moons. We'll start with the Misty Moons pack. These papers, you'll get 50 pieces of paper, high quality cardstock, uncoated. And this is the back, by the way. Each pack has 25 two-sided cards, 6 designs, 5 on the front and 1 on the back. So your 5 designs are what I'm showing you, and of course the back is all the same on each piece of paper. This is the Misty Moons pack. I really like these papers. I like the feel of them. Like they are a high quality cardstock. Great for silhouette stamping. Okay, let's look at Pastel Skies next. This pack is probably my favorite of all the Blue Night rubber stamp paper packs. I think because the clouds are so pretty and they remind me of a sunset. And also, I love the back of the papers. This is the back side. It's beautiful. Anyways, this one reminds me of a turquoise sea and a sunset in the background. I'm going to be using this one today. It's got the cotton candy skies. Super pretty. I used this one 2 weeks ago for my Easter stamp. And also, I used it on a video. And then this one I used last week. This reminds me of the Smoky Mountains. Again, beautiful papers. I urge you guys to make sure that you get your hands on these. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a beautiful card with these papers. And probably it only takes about 5 minutes as far as the stamping goes. So this stamp that I'm using is from the Trio Pines stamp set. It comes with 3 different sizes, small, medium, large, of these beautiful pine trees. Now, I used a piece of acetate earlier when I first stamped, just to judge, to make sure that I'm stamping in the right spot. Now, this grass comes from flying swans, silhouette swans. And I'm just going to use that at the bottom because I want my moose to have a meadow that he would be standing in. And so this is just how I line everything up and make sure that I didn't want to cover the moon completely because I think that moon is beautiful. By the way, that moon has the Milky Way going in the background and the skies are like the northern lights. They're just beautiful. I grabbed one more stamp set, the Silhouette Grasses, because I just wanted to fill in this ground area that my moose is going to be standing on. And I'm going to grab my acetate first, make sure that the moose is in the right position before I commit to that location. And that's how easy it is to create a quick card in a matter of minutes, grabbing your stamps from Blue Night and these beautiful papers. And if I didn't mention, one of our design team members, Deanna Tubb Sedilio, has created these papers. She has, in fact, created a lot of the beautiful papers at Blue Night. Now I'm just putting a matte layer down on my A2 card base, and then I'm just going to mount this panel right on top of that. That's it. That's how easy it is. Here's a picture of the card that we just created together. And by the way, I'll have all the products that I used linked below in my description box. If you would please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these papers from Blue Night Rubber Stamps. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Now let's take a look at another card that I created. This one is using the Pastel Skies paper. This paper is just gorgeous. It's got that cotton candy sunset look, but the stamp that I used is Silhouette Farmland, and the Bible verse is from Psalms 23. That comes from Bible Verses 1 from Blue Knight Rubber Stamps. They now have Bible Verses 3. So they've got 3 different sets of stamps with Bible verses. I'm going to show you the cards that I created so far using these papers. This was last week's card. This is the Skyline Silhouette stamp. And it has the foliage from the corner foliage. And I die cut it with a postage edge die. And I used, that's the back side of the Misty Moons paper for that skyline. Pretty, isn't it? Next we have another card using one of the papers from the Pastel Skies. This stamp set is called Silhouette Tree and Eagles. And I kept my cards simple. I could have added different foliage and stuff around the edges, but I just love these papers so much. I hate to even stamp over them with anything except for like the main focal image. The papers are just beautiful. Here we have Flying Silhouette Swans from Blue Knight on some of the Pastel Skies papers. This is actually, I believe, the back side of the paper, which I think is stunning. The paper is gorgeous. Here we have the beautiful Misty Moons paper with that pink sky and the big moon. And so we have the 2 stamp sets here. We've got the Grove, which is the foliage and the grass, and then Silhouette Stag. Those stamp sets work so well together. And with the paper, it looks like the moon is being balanced on the head of the stag. This stamp set is called Real Love, and I used a piece of the paper from the Pastel Skies. And I think this is very dramatic and beautiful stamp set. Comes with the stamp of the crosses and the sentiment. I just love the background paper showing this setting. So dramatic. And this final card uses the Wolf and Owl stamp set and the Misty Moon that I think looks sort of sepia, sort of like an old-fashioned photograph, but very dramatic. And again, these papers are amazing. And I'll have 2 more cards next week using these papers. Thanks so much for watching. Have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.